This is my experimental electrolysis cell. I don't know how many amps. I got it hooked up to a 1.5 amp charger. It's probably close to 1.1 or something. Oh, out of view. Switch. We see bubbles. Just barely. Print this at full resolution. It's in a solution, I'm probably sure, of copper oxide, iron oxide, and baking soda. Don't want to use salt for electrolysis cells. It makes chlorine in the chemical process. These are just plain old nails I've discovered. The presence, if you got the solution really saturated with, like say, baking soda, the oxidation reaction that makes iron oxide goes down considerably. And also, if a lot of iron oxide dissolve in this, it also reduces it. I think this cell's pretty good in terms of performance. Looks like something I'm gonna probably put in my car. Hook it up to 4 amps, probably quadruple the fuel production, and run it off not my, like say, car battery, but an extra battery. I don't want to pull from the car's any systems. Conservation of energy is important. Put it in probably a PVC pipe. Sealing's another important thing. Actually get it hydrogen into the intake system, I need to have at least some positive pressure. And the watts is another thing important. If I can, like say, 12 volt, I'm probably running in one something amps, well, very close to 5, but I have, which is probably around 18 watts, 15 watts. If I run it like say 24 volts, I can, like I said, quadruple the watts. So it's like, would be 24 times 2.5, which get closer to, like say, 100 watts, and that's what I'm looking for to do any difference. Probably leave this running and see what exactly it's going to result. I wish I can get it to seal, but I struggled so much, and I made this cap so cheap to try to make a holder. I wish I thought of this earlier. I use graphite, but graphite kind of turns like putty, and it's just and it rots. Because I use pencils. There isn't much to show. It just looks cool. I haven't made a video in a while, and I figure I should make a tech video. I like homemade stuff. And probably next time I'll put this in a PVC and try to see how much gas production I can get out of it. It's not very much. Probably need to pour quite a bit more baking soda. As electrolyte tends to break down, but it does tend to form a protective coating around those electrodes.